guys, welcome to my channel. This is Miro Zuber. Today's video, I will unbox my, this one is for my school, and I just want to show you guys that even I am a vlogger or YouTuber, I am also a student that trying to get in a nursing program. So here is the box, and I'm gonna show you what's inside in the box. Okay, so let's open it, and I'm gonna grab some what they call this, scissors or a knife. Okay. Kailangan ko to sa aking A&P course. So ayan na. Buksan ko siya. Yan, eto na. See, ang laki oh.
Okay.
We ordered this one in Amazon. This one, it took 3 days before these stock items arrive here in the house. So we're gonna open this one. Oh look, it's 4 feet. 4 feet. Yes, this one is 4 feet, which is it's too big. For me, it's too big, and I'm excited. Pasensya na. Hindi talaga ako naligo, guys. Kasi inaabangan ko siya. Sobrang excited ni Akech. Alam niyo yon? Ayan, pasensya na kayo sa background ko, guys. Kasi yung, alam niyo naman, meron akong katuwang sa buhay kapag nagwa-vlog. I have upcoming exam this Tuesday. So, I need to prepare. Diba? Naipasok ko din yung pag-vlog ko. Nagamit ko din.
Okay.
Oh, no! My son is here. So, see? I have that tripod, the big tripod. And I'm gonna use this one next time when when my husband ordered a camera. Here you go. So this is look at that. This is 4 feet. And one of my classmates, she wants to study with me. She wants to come by here in the house. Oh my God. I don't know, I'm excited. See? It's 4 feet. See? 4 feet. And here you go. Here's the structure. This one is the muscular system. See? It's really big. Look at that. Guys, I will put this one in here. See? Uh-oh. So this one, it's I ordered this one. Look. See? It's really nice. It's really nice. I would love, not a structure, a muscular system.
My structure.
You know why? This stuff is very helpful. Oh my. I can't wait. Honestly, guys, when this course was started, that was January 18, I was really nervous and I don't know what to do. But when I saw some of my classmates, my previous classmates, I'm glad. I'm really, I feel confident that this course is not bad. This, my classmates not bad because they are very friendly and very helpful very helpful when you ask something that you don't understand. You know me, I'm not English. I'm still learning because I'm not very good in English, but still you have to talk, you have to share your thoughts, you have to share what's your, you know. Nursing in America, guys, is very competitive. That's why you have to study hard. You have to study hard. So this one, I'm gonna post this one in here in the wall because for now, I can't do it by myself. I need help from my husband to put this stuff. So, natapos ko na ang aking poster. And then, natapos ko na ang poster ko na mag-isa. Kasi nga, napagod yung asawa ko sa work niya kahapon. Palakad-lakad siya kasi lumipas siya sa bagong building. So, ito, tinapos ko siya na mag-isa. Ang hirap. Ang hirap. Kailangan gumamit ka ng hagdanan. So, it's okay. It's okay if it's hard. At least ano lang sa inyo to, guys. Kasi nga, alam niyo yun, gusto kong ma-inspired kayo sa akin. Gusto kong ma-inspire kayo sa akin na kahit may anak na 3, you know, nagsusumikap pa din ako na makapagtapos na ang pag-aaral. Kasi mahirap dito sa Amerika kung wala kang degree, kung wala kang sapat na talaga, hindi ka makakahanap ng magandang trabaho. I mean, lahat, ang dami namang trabaho dito, pero yun nga lang, kasi yung goal namin ng mag-asawa talagang makatapos ako sa gusto niya. So ngayon, ayan, sinishare ko sa inyo guys na kahit nag-vlog ako tsaka nag-YouTube, alam niyo yun, I mean, mahirap i-adjust, pero dapat may time management tayo guys. Ina-adjust natin. Ayan. Gusto ko lang i-inspire yung iba na kahit may mga anak kayo, pwede pa din kayo mag-aral. Ayan, pwede nyo i-educate yung sarili nyo, hindi pa ako nakatapos. Ako nga nakaya ko na may 3 anak, tapos nagbablog, nag-YouTube. Kasi itong YouTube sa akin guys, kumbaga ano lang siya, isang stress reliever ko minsan. Kasi nga nasi-stress, study, tapos may mga kiddos. Pero ayan, nababalance ko naman. And also, itong YouTube din ang nagpapa-enhance sa akin kung paano makipaghalubilo kasi alam niyo naman, para mga alien ang mga kausap ko. Mga alien, lalaki. So, kailangan may confident ka. So, it helps a lot for me to doing this vlogging and also, I'm talking in front of you guys, so, because in school, you have to talk. Like I said, you have to talk, you have to share your thoughts, and also you have to socialize with them. Because if you're not talking with them, if you're just sit in that side, just doing nothing, I mean, nasa sayo din yan. So, it helps a lot for me. And, talking in front of the camera. So, it's like a practice talking. Because, by the next semester, I'm gonna get a speech course. So, I need to get ready for that. And also, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and comment down below guys kung meron kayong mga suggestion para at least malaman ko naman galing sa inyo yung mga nag-watch sa akin, kung anong mga suggestion nyo. Kasi ako, para sa akin, ito ang journey ko, ang school. Alam niyo yun, nakaka-proud sa sarili ko na kahit dito kasi sa US, it doesn't matter. Even you are 40s, 50s, may mga kaklase nga ako na 50s, pero nag-aaral pa din. Kaya sabi ko, why not? I'm just 38, so I still have more time. To learn myself. Kasi hindi naman lahat na nabibigyan ng mga ganito mga opportunities. So I grab it. My husband said, you have to go to school, you have to study and get a degree. I mean, bam! Suportado naman si asawa, why not? So thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, dyan lang, ikiklik nyo lang yung bell button. Thanks for watching.